Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at something really interesting. Today we're going to be looking at Nickelodeon slime. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You gotta just like that. We got a little we got a little bit of clear slime glue. We got some foamy beads. We got slime activation. We got a bowl. And we got colors. Getting started. Find a clean, flat surface to work on. It's gonna be good. It's gonna look good. Okay, ready? Measure 15 milliliters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup. Oh, this is a measuring cup. Clear glue. Okay, look at this.
Well, what's it say?
15 mils. It's like a science lab. It's like a science lab.
Nice.
Pour it into the bowl. So scrape down the walls of the cup to get maximum glue. It's a lot of glue.
Oh God.
Back to what we were doing. All right. So it looks like we gotta add a little. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. That's good. Cause I spilled some. You know, I spilled some. Pour 25 mils of water. We need water.
Dude.
Okay. 25 mils of water. Using my sticky measuring cup. That's a little bit more than 25 mils. I'm gonna dump some of that off. We're gonna dump a little bit more of that off. We're good. Okay. Go crunchy. Add half the bag of some slime beads. It says half the bag. I don't know it's half the bag.
She's half the bag.
She's half the bag? Oh.
Yeah. It's snowing.
Alright, that's a little bit. That's enough slime beads.
That's like a lot.
That's like a lot of slime beads. Fuck. Alright.
Cocaína.
Alright. Then we gotta add one spoonful of colorant. We make green slime because it's Nickelodeon.
Isn't your name Nick?
It is.
Wow.
I got the spoon. Spooged. Oh, here we go. One spoonful of sludge to make my slime bright. Maybe I should use these to mix. Alright. Stir the mixture of glue, water, and add it with the slime stick until fully mixed. Okay. There you go. There we go. Okay, here we go. And we get all that in there. Gonna mix it all up with the slime stick. Should we fold on all the beads? Look at that. Okay. Measure 5 mils of slime activator solution. The slime activator? Need 5 mils. Okay, my measuring cup is disgusting. Now what do we do? Always use the slime stick to stir. Don't stir with your hands. Okay. Some Nickelodeon slime we got going. Get in there, foam beads.
You might have put too many.
Probably. It's okay, we can always add more glue and slime stick. Oh, I put more glue. I didn't put slime activator. I put glue.
Ah, yeah.
I'm really retarded. I'm retarded.
Dude, you gotta activate it.
I put too much activator. Oh, that was way too much activator. Now we're active. We're getting active.
Yeah.
It's just like how Nickelodeon does it.
It's up 10 times more bigger. Oh.
Look at that. We put too much foam bead. Alright, we need to add some more, I think we need to add some more glue. Because we have too much foam bead. Actually. Look at that. We're needing some slime.
Did you do it?
Hold on. Hold on. Are we good? Are we done? Nickelodeon, are we done? I think we're done.
You have to kidnap 2 children.
Now it says we could store our crunchy slime in the slime crunchy bowls. Look at this. I love this. I love me some crunchy slime. Thank you for watching.